Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My topic is construction technique of driven pile. My ID is 2247618. So first of all, we need to know what are piles. Piles are generally driven into the ground in situ. Other depth foundation are typically put in place using excavation and drilling. The naming conventions may vary between engineering disciplines and firms. Deep foundations can be made out of timber, steel, reinforced concrete, and pre-stressed concrete. After that, how piles are connected. Foundations relying on driven piles often have groups of piles connected by a pile or gap, a large concrete block into which the heads of piles are embedded to distribute loads which are larger than one pile can bear. Pile caps are isolated piles are typically connected with great beams to tie the foundation elements together. Lighter structural elements bear on the great beams while heavier elements bear directly on the pipe cap. This is a picture of a pile. So we can say that the first picture, the front picture is wall and the ground beam, pile cap, etc. After that, we will see that pile installation. Pile installation is as important as design. There are two methods of installation: installation by driving, installation by boring. So pile installation, before going through pile installation methods, understand the following terminology. Driven pre-cast pile. The pile is casted in a yard, brought to the site and driven by some mechanism into the soil. Driven cast in situ pile. A casing plugged at bottom in driven into the ground, and then the pile is casted by removing or retaining the casing. Board precast pile. A pile is made and the soil inside is removed, and then a pile casted in some yard is put into the bore. Bore cast in situ pile. A bore is made, the soil is removed, and the pile is casted at the site in the bore. After that, now we'll understand about the driven pile on pile foundation. A driven pile is a relatively long cylinder column provided to offer support or to resist forces. The uses of driven pile element gives work often gain capacity step, reduction in time, labor, and materials, cost savings to the owner, environmentally friendly. Pile foundation, driven pile. Initiation of a driven pile. The types of hammer. First of all, number A is the drop hammer. B is the single acting air or steam hammer. C is the double acting and steam hammer. D is the diesel hammer, and last of all is a vibratory hammer. These are the picture of a driven pile. After that, effects of pile driving on soil, changes in cohesive soils, compressive and excess pore water pressure. Driven pile causes increases of excess PWP with the sensitivity of clay. This led to decrease of shear strength after dissipation of PWP strength increases. This is a figure of a building build up and distribution of excess power of water and pressure near a high displacement pile. Then comes pile driving included changes in cohesion less soil. First of all, is dense cohesion less soil. Adjacent soil while express high compressive stress causing a buildup of large lateral effect stress. In the short term, it can thus be very difficult to drive in high displacement piles into dense cohesion less soil. After that, we will now understand the drop hammer, gravity hammer, soil acting power driven hammer, double acting power driven hammer, diesel power driven hammer, vibratory and sonic driven hammer. These are the names of hammer uh, used in driving pile in soil. So first of all, the picture is drop hammer. Second one is a double acting power driven hammer. Third one is a diesel power driven hammer. Fourth is vibrating sonic power hammer, and the last of all is a single acting power hammer. So hammer type and efficiency is drop 25 to 40, single acting air steam 67, up to 67. The double acting air steam is 50, diesel 80, hydraulic or diesel with built-in energy measurement 95. After that comes driven pile formulas. One of the earliest such equations commonly referred to as the engineering news formula derived from the work energy theory, that is energy impacted by the hammer per blow, pile resistance penetration per hammer blow. According to the EN formula, the pile resistance is the ultimate load expressed as QU is equal to WRH by S plus C. W is equal to weight of the ram, H is equal to height of fall of the ram, S is equal to penetration of pile per hammer blow, C a constant. After that, we will understand how to find the weight of a pile. Suppose that a penetration concrete pile to 24.4 meter in length has to be driven by hammer. The pile size measures 254 millimeter. So in this case, we will use the formula APLY, APL gamma C. By acting this, we find the formula. Uh, so the answer is 40.08. Thank you.